Welcome to the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop. Over the course of the next 8 weeks, we'll be learning a version of Tai Chi called Young 8, which has 8 different postures. This has an origin, a root within traditional Chinese medicine, Qigong, and various forms of martial arts. The practice we'll be learning today, you could view as a form of mindful movement. Now, this has a significant research evidence base and is recommended in the National Institute for Clinical Excellence, or NICE guidelines, for the management of chronic primary pain. You don't need any equipment for this practice, although it is recommended to wear shoes that you feel safe, comfortable, and able to move in. Okay, let's begin.